So, we are here. And
Again.
we've made it.
I hope we did.
Today is the 30th, so there's roughly
One more day.
One more day.
Not including today pala.
Yeah.
Correction, not including today.
One more day left until we buy new calendars. At
Gamitin na natin yung mga iniipon nating Starbucks planners at
At
Mercury
isulat-
Drugs planners, Mercury Drugs planners,
at
Mercury's Drug.
isulat doon ang mga utang nyo kay Mr. Singh. Dadating ulit si Mr. Singh. Siguro a few days after New Year's Day, nandyan na yung motor niya.
Oo.
At maniningin sa inyo.
At may makikita kang turban na point out sa may bakod niyo.
So I'm Stephen.
MRG.
And today, we will be looking back on the best and worst, I guess, of what we've done this 2024 as Space Fellow Studios.
Kakain po ako ng latang bibingka.
Baka may pa-spoiler alert ka, RG.
Spoiled na to.
Ay, ito ba?
Baka maiyakan lang dito, sorry.
Baka lang naman.
Thanks in no part sa baho at sa bibingkang lata.
Pero kung makadating kayo sa gitna, walang iyakan, comment down nyo sa baba. Wala namang iyakan eh.
Spoil yun na yung mga manonood.
Katulad ng sabi ko nung Halloween episode, sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Nasa bahay na sila. Wala sila sa sementeryo. Ay, ngayon ay November 1.
Yes.
Na napapanood nyo to. At sana ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan sa mga sementeryo. Saan man.
Mabuting kalagayan pa pag sa sementeryo ka, ang alikabok doon. Baka sa ER.
Kasi inatake na. Sana excited kayo for the coming year.
I am clearly not.
Aww. At hindi kayo sana puno ng utang o kung ano man. Sana okay kayo lahat.
Simula tayo sa mga achievement namin, which are all non-existent at this point. As of recording, alam ko it's December 30, but as of recording, we have at least 352 subscribers. As we checked habang nasa wardrobe.
Sa wardrobe.
But malaking achievement yan sa akin kasi I like to put it this way. We are closer to 500 than we are closer to 100. Imaginein mo yun, from nothing to 352. Yun yung malaking achievement
Hirap
doon.
din binuo yun.
And as you can see right now, ako personally, since I sometimes spend on the gear here, may audio equipment na kami. I've gained better methods. And for some reason, I'm smarter at the very least in post-processing RP.
Yeah. Pero may nag-comment recently, siguro a few weeks back. Wait, kailangan buksan kasi hindi ko maalala per word.
Ito ba yung ginawa natin ng hater video?
Hindi.
Or iba pang achievement yun? Oy, achievement pala yun. We've got someone to hate us. Tangibly hate
For
us.
the first time.
Tangibly, not intangibly. Tangibly.
Ayan, may nag-comment, sabi niya, ang galing po ng editing skills nyo. Kahit hindi naman. Mga sir, keep it up and
Mga sir, siya lang naman nag-edit.
Kasama
Audio lang,
edit.
audio post lang ako.
Keep it up and nakakatuwa po kayong panoorin. Aantayin ko po makita kayo na mag 5 million subscribers. Wag po kayo tumigil. Sobrang sakto lang nitong comment na to kasi that week gusto ko naman tumigil. Yun yung gusto ko nang gawin, parang nakakatamad na baba kasi ng viewership namin nun. Paano ba naman kasi?
Gets.
Iba, sumunod-sunod yung big event.
Bagyo.
Bagyo, 2 linggo, magkasunod. Tapos nagkaroon ng eleksyon.
Yeah.
sa US.
Oh.
So parang natabunan na yung content namin. And pag ganun, para sa isang content creator, nakakapagod na natatabunan yung content mo. Hindi nakikita nagsashine.
Biruin mo, manalo ka lang ng US election, matatabunan mo na lahat ng content creator.
Diba? So, ito sinabi niya, aantayin ko po makita kayo na mag 5 million subscribers. 500 nga lang, nahirapan na kami. 5
Pero
million.
thank you. I'd like to say thank you to that guy.
Yeah.
It filled the hole in my heart.
Yeah. Actually,
Not a literal one. Not a literal one. Wala pa ang coronary disease.
It gave us encouragement to go on and produce new
Lasang abo.
So, serious na ako dito eh. For a content creator like us, madali lang sabihin na hindi naman tayo umaangat masyado eh. I-reply na lang natin ng i-reply yung formula. Huwag na tayo mag-innovate. Pero yun nga, doon sa comment na yun, parang nabuksan ulit yung isip ko na hindi, mag-reinvent kayo. Kung yun nga, natuwa sa inyo, for sure, meron pa ibang natutuwa.
Tuwa. Oo. Did we grow? I did. We grew wide. Tumaba ako ever since I became...
Literal pala.
Tumaba ako ever since I became an on-screen talent. From the guy recording audio lang ng being in front of the camera. Ew. Anong personal growth dito? I've learned to talk to the camera more. So in short, mas naging delulu ako.
Yeah. Balikan niyo yung Christmas special line last year. Panoorin
Please
si
don't.
RG.
Please don't.
Hindi, lilink ko dito.
Please don't. Please don't.
Makikita yung iba siya.
Tas bastos inedit in yung actual video.
Oo. Lalagay ko. Let's watch this. Hindi, ano yung sabi mo? Did we grow?
A bit. Oo.
Ako, ito serious na. We lessened the number of people we work with.
Ha? News sa akin to.
Wow. Pero, hindi pa na-receive yung email. Bukod sa tinanggal na rin yung kama. Nagtanggal din kami ng tao.
This is not to say na natanggal na po si Delo. Hello.
Nandito pa rin si Dale. Pasensya na lang kung mapapanood niyo to kasi yung tinutukoy namin. Pero we felt that we were boxed in what we were doing.
Ang bibilog ninyo para box din. Ano yun?
Yeah, we felt that we were boxed in. That's why we had to let go of some people na we feel won't be able to ride in the journey with us. Kasi for the next year, mas magiging daring kami. Kasi daring yung ano namin, yung target subscribers.
Pakihanda na po ang black box, maghuhubo ako.
Hindi ganun daring. Ibang daring. As in daring pag-reach ng mga visions tsaka goals. Hindi po kami mag-uupan.
With the advent of growing Space Fellow, I wanna give a great big shout out to yung mga AI cleaning audio tools. Mind you po, Supertone is the brand. So, they source their AI ethically.
Yeah.
Kaya, tingnan nyo, compare nyo yung first featured to the audio now ni featured. Ang ganda. Mind you, it's a different mic. Hindi siya fair comparison. But, imagine mo yung know-how that went into the first video until the latest video which you're watching now. Seryoso na po ako, hindi na ako nagbibiro. This, to some degree, Space Fellow is part of the growth. Alam ko, that's a personal growth section na yun, pero you get the idea.
Challenges.
May mga challenges.
challenge ba natin this year?
Totoo lang, I
Na
kept...
major.
Totoo lang growing the channel, as I said. As much as it's grown me, we had a hard time growing the channel. Lalo na we couldn't find our niche. Which we found out is two big guys eating food.
And reacting to things.
To really stupid things on the internet.
Yeah. Which you'll see more
Soon, on GMA. Hindi, pero ganun, yung growing the channel has been the biggest challenge ever. And making content that makes us happy. Kasi I, for one, kung kilala nyo ako, yung content ko isn't necessarily, hindi siya madumi. Na parang green mind. Pero it's not exactly pristine. I like a lot of dry humor, sarcasm. Very tongue-in-cheek nga ako pag nandito ako eh. Yung humor ko isn't necessarily for... Yung lalo na yung content natin dati. Yung challenge ko was trying to make something that would make me laugh.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ma-offend yung mga kasama natin, if I'm being honest.
Yeah. Okay.
Kasi I didn't care about the audience. Alam kong just as I am, maraming may hindi pristine ng humor. Kaya...
Kailangan kasi kung team kayo, join ka dun sa ride. Hindi yung parang meron kang reservations. Kasi it will hinder the growth of the team.
Pero yun nga eh. Dahil dun na-hinder tayo eh. You have to admit na as we boxed ourselves in, hindi mo magawa fully yung gusto mong gawin. Laban pa ba or suko na ang fearless forecast mo sa 2025 for Space Fellow? Hindi! Hindi!
Anong hindi? Hindi tayo malinaw eh. Anong hindi?
Basta hindi!
Tuloy lang.
Tuloy lang, oo. Tuloy lang.
Hanggang kaya. Basta
Hanggang
makikita nyo na, makakakita nila kayo na 8-minute or 6-minute video na walang thumbnail. Tapos nakalagay, bye. Pag ayaw na namin.
Reflections on the community and the support. Thank you to the 300 plus na nanonood sa amin.
Or by this time,
Malay mo, 500. This is a forecast. Hindi po ito mid-January i-ere ha. Kaya thank you po sa mga magsa-subscribe at tumatangkilik sa amin na yun. Wow, Tagalog. Ano? And wala, keep watching. At kung makita nyo sa FX, great.
Para doon sa mga kaatrasong tunay na
Namin.
nanonood pa rin. At sinusubukan kami pagtawanan. Sige,
Hey.
tawa lang kayo. At least kami may ginagawa. Kayo ba?
Hi. Hindi na lang ako. Hi.
Hi.
I'm doing something.
Oh, how about you? Output naman dyan, no?
Tumahimik ka para mag-crickets tayo for their sake.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Wala pa rin kayong nagagawa.
Bigay na kami ng moment of silence. Ay, right. So since second year na ni Space Fellow, sabi ko nga kanina, we felt that we have to pivot.
Change things a bit.
Change things a bit. Starting January, catch us every Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Na lang.
Okay? At 6 p.m. Yun na yung bago naming upload schedule.
Para pwede nyo kaming subaybayin habang nagko-commute ako kayo.
Bakit ikaw?
Ako din, nagko-commute ako ng ganong oras.
Ayun. So, yun yung magiging changes namin sa Space Film. And shorter, condensed videos na, kumbaga, bite-size. Yung mga gan, basta makikita.
Basta manood na lang kayo, you'll figure it out.
Hindi na namin bibigay kasi baka hindi na kayo manood.
O di, oo nga.
At ang pinaka-daring namin na plano is 2024.
Ano?
The road...
Maghuhubo tayo?
The road to 1K subscribers.
1K pa lang yun. Kaya yan.
We invite you to join us
Or not. Pero please. Please.
in reaching the 1K subscriber mark.
Yes.
By the end of 2025 dapat.
Ay, 2024?
2025.
Kaya thank you to our audience this past 2024 at yung mga nabaon din namin ng 2023. Anyway, for joining us this past 2024, kaya keep on watching us, I guess. You can watch our marathon, The Best of Space Fellow 2024, tomorrow at New Year's Eve, 7 p.m. Habang naghihintay kayo sa...
Putukan.
Lahat ng favorite moment yun nandun. And I think
Kasama na to.
kasama na to. Anyway, dahil patapos ng video, kilala niyo naman ako.
And I'm Steven. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Happy New Year!
Kaya, don't forget to, nangyari sa laptop. Patay. Ay, hindi!
Akala ko na wala.
I-jump cut mo na lang. Namatay po yung laptop namin and mga kaatraso. And yung mga totoo namin kaatraso.
Binumulto na tayo ng kaatraso.
So nga sinumpa na tayo.